when it comes to Istibdal, Tabdeel, and things like this. And I kind of don't see why there's a hard, when it comes to Istibdal, why, so when it comes to Istibdal and Hukm غير ما أنزل الله, do you believe that if someone rules by other than what Allah revealed in a matter or two or three or four, they become kafir?
Okay, so your question is very vague.
Yes.
So, for example, Ibn Uthaymeen's position on Istibdal is that Istibdal is Kufr Akbar.
Yeah, but it's Istibdal بالكلية, يعني مش the whole entire Sharia. Sure. Not on a matter or two is what I'm trying to say.
So you're mixing up the terms, you're mixing up the terminology. If we're talking about a person who, we don't need to use the word Istibdal. Okay? Istibdal is when you're replacing the Sharia officially, saying, the Sharia of Allah is not suitable for our case and our ruling. We're going to use the Sharia of the Bible or the Sharia of Genghis Khan of Al-Yasik. This is what we're going to do. Even if he said we're only going to do that in the topics of halal meat, for example, we're going to rule by the book of Al-Yasik, Genghis Khan's book, on the topic of halal meat. So Genghis Khan's book said that if somebody slaughters a cow with dabiha, then it's capital punishment. It's crime, it's haram, it's capital punishment. If he says this is the correct law for dabiha, but I'm still going to implement hudud on the Sharia hudud on zina, for example. When we talk about somebody who left off the correct Sharia ruling on a particular case or a few cases, this is Kufr Duna Kufr. So, for example, somebody came along, 4 witnesses of zina. It was clear that they are guilty. Maybe they even confessed. But the judge, they saw, or the ruler saw, this is my cousin, and I don't want to punish him.
Right.
So he closed his eyes and pretended that he was innocent. He said, no, he's innocent, he's not. And he did not implement the hudud, even though it should have been implemented. This is Kufr Duna Kufr.
Yes. The thing is, sorry to cut you. Sorry to cut you. Yes, I know the difference. I know it sounds like I didn't know it, but I do know the difference. But the reason why I said this is because inshallah, I can bring you the quote, but I read from Ibn Uthaymeen talking about Istibdal, saying that in the cases that we have today, that it's not Kufr Akbar. Inshallah, let me, maybe I'll private message you, send you the quote, and we can go through it together, maybe.
Send it to me, inshallah.